No, hey baby. Good morning. How's your sleep? Was your sleep good? Good. I'm glad. I'm glad you had good sleep, you had good rest. How's your belly? Is your belly feeling better? That's good. You were feeling pretty sick. And what about your head? Is your head feeling okay? No more headaches? Good. That's good, sweetie. No, sweetie. Is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Some water. I can make you breakfast. Or do you want a purse? Yeah. I can get you something. Or maybe like a car. I saw you eyeing that Lamborghini, so I figured, or maybe like a jet. Anything whatsoever, sweetie. No? Nothing? You just want to cuddle? Of course, baby, we can cuddle. Let's go cuddle. You know, pretty soon it's gonna be three of us. Me, you, and the baby. To me, it's crazy. To me, it's wild. I really never thought I would get here. I really never thought that I would be a father. But now I'm here. Now I'm here with you. And I can honestly say that it's such a dream come true. It really is. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I am a little bit scared. But I know it's gonna be okay. 'Cause we have each other. I know. Everything's gonna be okay. But I know that our baby's gonna be good. It's gonna be such a beautiful thing. It is. Our baby's gonna be so beautiful. Just like you. Here, let me give you a little belly rub, okay? There you go. Your skin is so smooth. I can feel the baby moving. I can feel our precious baby moving. Can't believe we're gonna be parents. I can't believe it. Oh, sweetie. You don't have to worry, okay? You don't have to worry. Everything's gonna be okay. Of course, everything's gonna be okay. You're gonna be a great mother, okay? You're gonna be a really good mother. Trust me. I know you're gonna be a really good mother, okay? Well, you're gonna You're so caring. You're so loving. You're so nurturing. And I mean, that's why I fell in love with you in the first place. Not only that, you would make a great MILF, so that's gonna be cool. I love you. Of course, sweetie. I mean, I think I'm gonna be a great father. I do, you know. I'm gonna, like, love the baby. I'm gonna love you. I'm always gonna be there for our baby and teach her child stuff, and, you know. And I'll learn as I go, obviously. But yeah, I think I'll be a great father. I know that I'll always love you and the baby. You guys will always be my number one. You guys will. I promise. I remember. I remember when I first saw you. You were the most beautiful girl in the world I have ever seen. And you know, when I went up to talk to you, I was so nervous. I was so scared. I was terrified. But, you know, I got the courage, and I was shocked that when you gave me your phone number, I was excited, and when we met on that first date, it was magical. I still remember what you wore, how you smelled. I remember your perfume. I fell madly in love with you that day. You were so caring. You were so kind. I knew you were the one. I really did. Now, here we are today. Hey, we're gonna have a baby soon. We're gonna be a family. It's amazing. You know, it's a wild journey. But I'm glad that I'm having this journey with you. I love you so much, baby. I can feel the baby kicking. It's kicking kind of hard now. Are you okay? Your stomach hurts a little bit. Okay. Let me get you that heated water bottle, okay? Give me 1 second. And I'll be back, sweetie. got you a heated water bottle for your belly. Let me put this on, okay? No, doesn't that feel better? It does, huh? Of course, sweetie, I would do anything for you and the baby. Absolutely anything. Here, let's cuddle. Come here close. Let's cuddle. Good. You know, you got the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. I'm serious. Your eyes are really something special. And I'm not just telling you this to impress you or anything. I'm not. I mean, your eyes, they sparkle. Especially when you talk about something you love. They really do sparkle. I mean, it can be kind of distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in those beautiful eyes? I mean, I get lost in them all the time, I do. Especially when the light hits your eyes just right. It makes your eyes glow. Gives it this unique beauty. But honestly, sweetie, you should be really careful with eyes like those. You might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. You do. There's something about your lips that just draws me in. They really do draw me in. And when you smile, you light up the whole room. And everything just fades away. But me and you. And it makes me so lucky to just be here with you. And when you speak, and I can listen to you for hours. Your beautiful voice, combined with the way your lips move, it just mesmerizes me. And it makes everything you say feel so special. I mean, your lips are not just beautiful, they hold so much warmth and kindness. And it makes it so comforting to be close to you.